Today, jurors in the Larry Millete trial got a front-row explanation to the Millete family phone records. A district attorney investigator spent the morning on the stand explaining why some messages were deleted. Our ABC 10 News reporter Laura Acevedo has been in the courtroom all day, joining us now live with an update. Laura?
And Kimberly, this afternoon we heard from two Jeep owners who say they met Maya on Jeep trips in late December, just weeks after she went missing. Right now on the stand is the woman that cleaned Maya's home. She immediately broke down into tears as she identified a picture of Maya displayed in the courtroom. After an explosive day of testimony from Maya Millete's lover Monday, the prosecution brought back one of their investigators to continue his testimony Tuesday. Matt Grinley spent the morning on the stand. He said despite searching the areas near Maya's home, investigators have never found her phone. He testified about reviewing the Millete family phone records. On Larry's phone, text messages between Larry and his boss, Terry Fonville. On several occasions, Larry would forward texts that Maya had sent to him to Fonville. Texts where she told Larry she didn't want to be his wife anymore and that she was filing whether he liked it or not. On the day she went missing, he told his boss he wasn't coming into work, saying, quote, "I'm not right. I'm about to lose it." Grinley says they also found Larry's boss had deleted some of these text messages. The day after Maya was last seen, no outgoing messages or calls from Larry's phone. But he testified people, including Larry's boss and his mom, tried to get a hold of him. During cross-examination, defense attorney Leanne Sabatini pointed out that Grinley never issued search warrants for Fusion or Teams chat, where Maya and Jamie Laird, her affair partner, often communicated. Grinley confirmed he never did. He also testified that he never went to the hospital to verify Laird's claim that he was with his wife in labor the night Maya went missing, saying he relied on phone records that placed him there. And after that line of questioning from the defense team, a stern warning from Judge Enrique Camarena without the jurors present in the room. He reminded both the prosecution and the defense team that they are not allowed to argue that someone else committed the crime. He also asked them to argue their cases respectfully, saying he will not tolerate eye-rolling or raising of voices, saying that any further violations will result in consequences. Reporting live in Chula Vista, Laura Acevedo, ABC 10 News.